Hey, what's up guys? It's been a couple days since we mowed. As you can see, I've already done it, but you get to see the process. Mowing today with a Scott's 20-inch Classic. Love this reel mower, manual reel mower. It's difficult to push if your grass is really thick. Then I'm following up. This is a Craftsman mower, Lowe's. It's a cheap mower, but it's got that Honda GCV engine on it. Great engine, always go with Honda. Hope you enjoy this mow. Hope you stick out. Thanks for tuning in. JC's Lawn Journal. So here what we're looking at is the bottom. This bed knife here runs across the bottom of the grass. And as it's going, this blade's spinning. So your grass is sticking up like that, blade comes by, cuts the grass. It should be a clean cut like that all the way across. Simple process. We'll show you how it's done. I'm gonna go over it a couple times with the reel mower. Get it cut, see how it turns out. If you're new to reel mowing, look at this, but don't panic. It's gonna be okay. This is how these reels do sometimes. It looks like an entire washboard. All of these little small lines that go across there. All we do to combat that is mow in another direction. We'll see what it looks like after that. All right, so I've cut over it twice now. You still see lines, but they're a little less prevalent. Basically, the low spots are where the blade's cutting. The high spots are where the gaps between the blades are. We'll cut one more time, and then I'll show you how we're gonna finish. I'm also gonna run the rotary so I can bag all this. We still have Bermuda mites, so gonna try to bag them and get rid of them hopefully. I got some neem oil and some treatment stuff, but we're gonna go ahead and bag with the rotary, try to get up a lot of the grass clippings and make it look nice and neat. All right, it's done. Everything's cut. If you counted, I cut 4 passes. It's too much. Need to get a greens mower, but you only do what you can do, so I think it looks pretty good. Let's see how many clippings are in this bag. After multiple passes and cutting the side yard over there, that's all we got, about half a bag. This little PVC pipe off the back is a homemade striping kit. Just took some angle PVC, filled it with rocks, and put a pipe through the middle, put some eyelets on the end, and strapped it where the regular flap goes on the back of that. It works very well on cool season tall grass. On Bermuda, it doesn't really do much. I kind of gave up on striping midway through. Boy, does she look pretty. See some spots in here where it looks like it's scalped. I'm cutting at the lowest that mower goes. So it is scalped. Need to re-level again sometime this year. Maybe next season, I don't know yet. But I have to say, I think it looks pretty good. Just like that, we're done. Thanks for tuning in, guys. See you on the next episode of JC's Lawn Journal.